So maybe I should start by programming just a basic drum pattern. Let me go over here. So I'm thinking of something like a heartbeat kind of thing. If it's going to be this sort of calm, quiet ambient. So I'm kind of thinking of a tempo like, because if it's a calm heartbeat, you know, if I do something like this, dum, 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 dum. If you think about your heart pounding at that tempo, dum, dum, it's like you're doing something that's intense, right? And if you're calm, your heartbeat's more like this, dum, dum, boom, boom. So it's more like dum, dum, go, go. So if I double time that, so now we're at 85. Maybe I'll do something like this. Okay, let me make this 8 bars. It's on. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. There we go. Let me quantize it. Got it at 16th notes and at 70%. Okay.